Yun.
Ano to? Cornet?
Ito yung kitchen area. Tapos, kitchen area. So, dito yung washing machine. So, dito naman sa likod yung shower. Dito naman yung... Ito yung master's bedroom. So, bakit siya yung master's bedroom? Kasi merong extra space for cabinet dito. And this one would be the second bedroom. So, ito, ayan. So, applicable sa kanya window type aircon. Both bedrooms meron.